Calibrating your Steam Deck controller to fix drift issues can enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to properly calibrate your controller. Step 1. Access Steam Settings. Open the Steam application on your Steam Deck. Navigate to the Settings menu by selecting Steam in the top left corner, then choose Settings from the drop-down. Step 2. Select Controller Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Controller tab. This will open up various options related to your controller configuration. Step 3. Open Big Picture Mode. To access advanced controller settings, enter Big Picture Mode by clicking the controller icon in the upper right corner. This mode provides more detailed options for controller calibration. Step 4. Configure controller options. Once in Big Picture Mode, go to Library and select your game. Click on Manage Game and then choose Controller Configuration. Here, you can find options to calibrate your controller. Step 5. Calibrate the controller. In the Controller Configuration menu, look for the Calibration option. Follow the on-screen instructions to adjust the joystick sensitivity and dead zones until the drift is minimized. Save your settings once you are satisfied. After completing these steps, your Steam Deck controller should be calibrated to reduce drift issues. Regularly check your settings to maintain optimal performance.